Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing everything that I've got recently from this Instagram page, or even they have the website. I came across recently and I've loved their collection, and that is Bunkers Corner. So if you guys have heard about this brand, you would know that they have such amazing casual everyday streetwear clothing. And so ever since this lockdown has started, I've just been looking out for oversized t-shirts and joggers, and these are the only thing that I've been wearing lately. And so I decided to buy a few stuff from this page, Bunkers Corner, and I am completely in love with their collection. I mean, everything is just so on point. Their quality, the price, the vibe of their page is so me. And I think without any further ado, let's just quickly jump into the video. So the first t-shirt that I'm wearing here is this one. I really liked the color when I saw this one. I really like the color. It's those very pastel green sort of a color, that mint green sort of a color. So it has this Billie Eilish print on it, and I so love graphic t-shirts, and even more when they're oversized. The quality of every t-shirt that I'm going to show you is just amazing. I love the quality, I love the sizes. In the oversized t-shirt, I think I ordered small. Yes, I ordered small in the oversized t-shirts, and it costed me somewhere around 700 to 800, I guess. Coming to the next one, this one is again a Billie Eilish print. This is a little more vibrant. If you wear it in the dark, you might feel that it has that neon effect, that holographic effect, and it even has a print on the back side, which is just amazing. I really like this one. Coming to the third one is this white t-shirt. I love this one as well. It has a very bold graphic print, and it is all over the t-shirt, so that is one thing that I really like. एक चीज़ जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी थी in Bunkers Corner was that कि इनके they have very different prints and very vibrant prints. They even have very pastel and very sober prints, but at the same time they even have very vibrant prints. So they have a lot of versatility in their product. Now coming to the fourth one is this again white t-shirt. This was actually the first t-shirt that I thought that I will definitely buy. This cow print has been so much in, and I really wanted to have one, and I saw this at Bunkers Corner and I knew that I will definitely buy this. So this was actually the first t-shirt that I liked from their collection. You can style it in so many ways. You can style it with even different colors, with just black or white. So I think it's just a perfect t-shirt, not just for staying at home, even when you're going out. So coming to the next one, the reason why I bought this one was only the color. I have been recently liking lavender color a lot. These are some colors that I think you should definitely have in your wardrobe, because they just make your wardrobe look very different, and they just add that pop of color into your wardrobe. So I think this is one color that I would definitely recommend you to have in your wardrobe. And this is a plain t-shirt. They just have something written on one side at the top and one side at the bottom, but otherwise it's a plain t-shirt. Now coming to the last oversized t-shirt that I have with me is this one. This is the reason why I wanted this one was only the color again. Having neutrals is again very essential in your wardrobe, and this brown nudish color was exactly the color that I was looking for. It just goes very well with everything. Whatever you want to wear, it will go well with everything, because it's a neutral color and neutrals go with everything. So I think neutral is another one thing that you should definitely have. Again, the quality is pretty amazing. It is a complete solid t-shirt. There's no print, there's nothing of that sort, and plain solid t-shirts bhi honi chahiye. I think they definitely, you can layer it up, you can add some funk jewelry with it, and it really does the job very well. So I think solids bhi honi chahiye, graphics bhi honi chahiye, and some print here and there, a little bit of print is also something that you should have. So these were everything about the oversized t-shirt. Now coming to the two tank tops that I bought from them, is this one. This particular t-shirt was not something that I was very fond of, but I thought I want something like this, like in this style. So I thought let's just try this out. So I bought this and I think I'm quite happy with the purchase. Again, the print is very nice, the quality is amazing. Coming to the last one, which is this racer back tank top. I really like this one. This one, it has this tomorrow thing written here, like a quote, and I really like those t-shirts and tank tops which have something written on the, you know, on the chest. I think इसमें मैंने small नहीं लिया था, मैंने I think medium लिया है इसमें. I just check it and I'll put it somewhere down so that you guys have no confusion about it. This is a little fitted and मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा fitted and tight clothes नहीं चाहिए थी. Like I said, I've been obsessing with very loose clothing, and I think even in the white tank top, I don't remember was it small or medium. I'll check and I'll leave it down below. So these were all the tops and the oversized t-shirt. I also wanted to try one of the joggers, and this brown jogger is what I bought from them. मैंने जब ये देखा था, I wanted it in some other color, and इसमें I think 2-3 colors थे उनके पास. They had black, I guess, and they had one khaki sort of a color they had. But when I saw, like when I went onto the website, I checked, it was out of stock. So still I wanted to try the joggers because I really like the fit, the feel, the style of the joggers is very nice. It has a very straight fit. It doesn't have that cowl thing happening at the bottom, which I do not like very much. It has a straight fit. It has these pockets even. So this is one thing that I really wanted to try from them. So I just bought one because I wanted to see how it fits me, and then probably if I like it, then I can buy more, and I will definitely buy more because I just love this jogger. It's very, very comfortable. It's not something that you cannot wear in summers, because that was also one thing that I was really confused about. So yeah, that was everything that I bought from Bonkers Corner. I am in love with this brand. I'm definitely trying a lot more stuff. They come up with different kind of prints, different kind of styles every day, and every day I go on their Instagram page and I'm just mind blown, and I'm thinking मुझे ये भी लेना है, मुझे वो भी लेना है. So I will definitely keep trying. So this video is completely unsponsored. All these things I bought, and I wanted to share my review with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this and you find it helpful. All the links I'm gonna leave it down below in the description in case you want to check that out. And do stay tuned for my more videos. I hope you guys are enjoying my YouTube channel as well. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please do that. The link is in the description. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care and goodbye.